Take green vegetables. Green vegetables. How may I help you, sir?
Yes, I want some vegetables.
So, which type of vegetables do you want?
I want capsicum, tomatoes, potatoes, and so many.
How many kilos do you want capsicum?
I want 1 kg of capsicum. What's the price?
Price of capsicum is 160 rupees kg per kg.
But sir, this is too much.
No, this is a
I will buy a lot. So I will buy a lot of vegetable from you.
Okay, first buy, then I will.
And I also want 1 kg of cauliflower.
Okay.
And I want 2 kgs of cabbage.
Cabbage.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want 1 kg carrot. I also want 2 kgs of onions.
Onions I don't have. I have means only few onions and.
Okay, so I want cucumbers also. 1 kg of cucumbers.
1 kg.
Yeah.
Means 1 kg capsicum, 1 kg cauliflower,
Yeah.
1 kg cucumber.
Yeah, and 2 kgs of cabbage and 1 kg of carrot.
Okay.
And also give me 1 kg means 250 grams of ginger.
250 grams.
Yeah.
Do you know what is the cost of gingers?
No.
The cost of gingers is what 200 rupees kg, and you ask 250 grams.
Yeah, so 50 will be of 250
Okay, I will.
grams. Yeah. So pack all the things.
So okay, take it. Your bill is 450 rupees.
450.
Yes.
Oh my God! How did you calculate 450? How did you calculate the price? What is its price?
See, 40 rupees.
Yeah.
40 rupees capsicum. 50 rupees cauliflower. 60 rupees cauliflower.
And
100 rupees. And you told that 2 kg of
Yeah,
cabbage,
cabbage.
na? Means 30, 30, 60, 160 rupees. And 1 kg of carrot, 40 rupees. 200 over.
Yeah.
And
Cucumbers. I
cucumber,
got
1
kg.
kg, 40.
Yeah.
Ginger also, na? 50.
Yeah.
290. And
And I asked for 2 kg of onions.
onions. The cost of onion is 50 rupees.
Okay. And I also want this bottle gourd. What is its price?
60.
60. Okay. So pack 1 kg.
Only 1 kg.
Yeah.
So okay, 350 the cost.
And also pack 2 kgs of brinjal. Was it its price?
50.
50. Okay, means 450.
450 over.
But sir, the price of your vegetables is too high.
But it is very fresh.
Yeah, I can see, but you are selling vegetables, not the gold. Means this is more than the reasonable price. You should decrease some price because I am your regular customer.
Yes, sir, I know, but okay, then give 420 rupees.
No, sir. I can give you 380.
No, give 400.
No. I can't give more than 380.
No, means I can't do that.
But the prices are so high.
Do you know the condition of our Indian farmers?
Yeah, I know. I know that there is no proper rain this year, but even after that, the prices are so high.
That's why means this year rain was not proper.
But you should think I'm your regular customer. Always
That's why I give you. That's why I asked you for give only 400 rupees.
But I can't give you more than 380.
Give 400 rupees. I will give you some curry.